Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Do you know that it's possible for you to file your tax returns for free this year? IRS offers IRS free free file, and that's, you have to be making $89,000 or yet less with your 2025 tax returns. So if that's you, you don't want to pay anybody to file your tax returns, you can go on there. There are 8 IRS free file trusted partners there. So if you don't want to pay anybody, and let me tell you, as a former agent, let me give you a big tip. If you are a W-2 wage earner, man, spot on, do this. If you make $89,000 for the last year, even if you make over, you can't file, you can do these returns yourself. However, if you're self-employed, just don't. Well, some people can, some people have that, they can just do it, they understand that whole concept of all this stuff. But you know, if you're self-employed, what you don't take advantage of is what everyone knows in the industry. That's where I kind of divide the line. So if you're a W-2, go to free file. If you're self-employed, you got a handle on this, go ahead and do it if it's simple. If you are making a decent amount of money, over $89,000, self-employed, go ahead and find a local whoever. We're former IRS agents, we do this. But if you want to go to someone, you know, right in your backyard, that's fine. H&R Block, that's fine, some of these. But let me tell you, nothing beats former IRS agents. But this big thing is an IRS free file. That's really what I'm trying to get across. Just go to IRS free file online on Google, and if you make if you made $89,000 or less last year, you're going to get your tax return filed free. That's the least IRS could do, right? Anyway, my name is Mike Sullivan. Give me a subscription, a like, whatever. Subscriptions are helpful. I'd like to get information. By the way, you're going to find 8 different trusted partners to file your return for free. Blessings. Have a good one. Don't forget the subscription. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your time.